He is the reigning and defending PBF Bantamweight Champion. Here is Carl Chavez Wonderboy Martin.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan.
Sa panibagong rankings ngayong 2025 sa Super Bantamweight Division. Ang pinakamatunog na division ngayon na pinaghaharian ng walang iba kundi ang monster ng Japan, si Naoya Inoue. 4 na Pinoy ang pumasok sa top 10 ng division. Ranked number 1, si Carl James Martin. Number 4, si Marlon Tapales. Number 6, si Jerwin Ancahas. At number 7, si John Riel Cuadro Alas Casimero. Pero sa likod ng korona ng hapon, 2 Pinoy ang nagpapainit ng eksena. Walang iba kundi ang 3 division world champion, si Cuadro Alas, John Riel Casimero. May 34 na panalo, 23 knockouts at matagal ng kilalang halimaw sa ring. At ang batang leon na walang bahid ng pagkatalo, si Carl James Wonderboy Martin. May 25 wins, 20 knockouts at kilala bilang bagong knockout artist ng bagong henerasyon. Mainit ang tensyon sa pagitan ng dalawa. Nagpalitan ng maaanghang na salita sa social media at dito na nagsimula ang pagkakahati ng mga Pinoy boxing fans. Lalong nag-alab ang apoy ng pabagsakin ni Martin ang Mexicanong si Ruben Tostado. At diretsahang binantaan si Casimero na humanda na dahil ito na ang isusunod. Pero ito ang tanong ng masa. Handa na ba talaga si Wonderboy harapin ang bangis at karanasan ng Cuadro Alas?
He's a man that hits really hard.
Oo, undefeated si Martin. At sunod-sunod ang panalo kontra sa mga Mexicano. Pero para sa ilan, hindi sapat yon, sabi ng ibang fans. Mga magtataho lang ang mga tinalo niya, napakalayo sa rankings. Kaya para maliwanagan ng lahat, gaano kalakas si Martin, panoorin ang isa sa pinakamatitinding laban ni Wonderboy. Ang laban kontra sa future world champion ng Thailand, Chaiwat Buatkratok. Nakataya dito ang WBO Global Super Bantamweight title, ang sinturong dating hawak ni Casimero nang talunin niya si Philippus ng Hitumbwa, ngunit hindi na nito dinepensahan. Ang Thai fighter na si Buatkratok may 40 panalo, 26 na knockouts at minsang nagpahirap kay Milan Melindo. Matibay, batak at hindi basta-basta. Round 1 pa lang, palitan agad ng mabibigat na suntok. Walang atrasan, bakbakan.
Chatoy Putatok is wearing the yellow and black for this bout.
Carl James Martin entered the ring with his entourage composed of elders, our elders and Ifugao, councilors. Wag po nating mangunang mag-knock dyan. That is
Titulo.
Yes, for sure. Okay, quickly. It's important, partner. This is patience. Pacing is important.
James Martin is trying to size up Buchatok. Baga sinasabi sa Filipino theater from Thailand.
So, Highlander. Both are known for their warrior mentality.
Carl, like I always said, pag kinukover natin siya, Carl James Martin could beat you in 2 ways. He could beat you by points, and he has the power to deliver that knockout.
Exactly. And of course, Carl has been constantly evolving. There you have it, a double jab and then a body shot. Carl.
Siguro yung fruit of to deliver that knockout.
Exactly. And of course, Carl has been constantly evolving. There you have it, a double and nasumusupol na.
Carl James Martin. Hindi mo matatawaran yung heart na dahil may wala siyang schedule na fight.
Sa round 3, tumama na ang sunod-sunod na bomba ni Martin. Pero parang hindi man lang tinatabla ng Thai champion.
Alam naman natin that Carl James Martin, hindi mo matatawaran yung hard work nito eh. Because even though he is not, meron lang siyang scheduled na fight, he constantly training.
Could kuha ang world title.
That counter of Butatok is very deadly, partner.
For
Nakita
sure.
natin. Yung how solid that right of Butatok. Pero Martin countered with a lot of combination on that instances.
That's what Carl Hammett Martin also does. He counters with volume. Oh, Butatok with that deeping left hook.
Game plan ngayon ni Chad White Butatok. A nice uppercut by the Carl Hammett Martin. Oh! May mga boxer dyan ayun.
Fight. Partner, nung mo sana nagsasabing hindi full house ang crowd. Siguro, wala nang full house pa dito.
Right, ano? Oh, that upper and then hook up top landed for Carl Hammett Martin.
Pinagpaglang daw ng Thailander. So, matibay kasi yung Thailander na to.
Yeah, Butatok also.
Then you're calling a real fight.
Just take it out for the W.
The rank 4 in Thailand.
With the face of Carl Hammett Martin.
I mean, yung mga ranking na yan, I have to watch the fight against
Round 5, umpisa nang nasaktan itong si Buat Kratok. Pero nakatayo pa rin, gigil, matigas, palaban at talagang lumulusob.
with that high guard, just absorbs that punch and counters.
But that is a scoring punch. 4 to 5 punch combination is a scoring.
As long as it lands.
Yes,
It has
oh.
to land, you know. If it touches the arms or the gloves, although it doesn't land, it has the ability to weaken you. Nakakapagod yung partner, kaya nung matamaan ka sa braso, kahit magano ka-protect ka pag natatamaan ka ulit-ulit. Katulong yun.
Now Carl Hammett Martin is testing the body of Butatok. And yes, an uppercut to the body. Yung activity ng Carl Hammett Martin, no, yung dami ng bato. Napapansin mo, so
Martin is smelling blood right now.
Smelling that blood. It right there as he was getting out.
oh, that body really hurts Butatok.
Answers with consecutive right hooks, both to the head and the body.
Oh, that left upper. Wow!
Oh, wow. Martin with that uppercut. Certainly hurt Butatok. And he sends his blood in the water, partner. Oh, wow.
I think Martin is smelling blood right now.
Those punches and he's still standing, partner. Counters with...
Oh, a little rubber legs for Butatok right now.
Bago natapos ang round, tumama ng solidong suntok si Martin, kung saan naalog itong si Buat Kratok.
There you have it, partner. Oh, wow. Another punch.
Hanggang sa round 6, dito na tinapos ni Wonderboy ang paghihirap ng Thai champion. Isang mabilis na kombinasyon ang binitiwan ni Martin. Bagsak ang Thai. Tumayo pa si Buat Kratok, pero bistado na naubos na ang baterya nito, kaya tinigil na ng referee ang laban. Technical knockout victory para kay Carl Hammett Martin. At dito niya nasungkit ang WBO Global Title, ang belt na dating hawak ni Casimero. Ngayon ang tanong ng sambayanang boxing fans, sapat na ba yan para harapin ang isang John Real Casimero? Ibahagi niyo sa nababa. Salamat sa inyong suporta.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.